Hey tech fans! Perplexity just launched Comet, an AI-powered browser with a built-in assistant that's changing the game. Ready to browse smarter? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this AI browser revolution. Perplexity unveiled Comet, an AI-driven web browser exclusive to Max subscribers at $200 per month with a waitlist for others. With a native search engine and a sidebar assistant that handles tasks across tabs, it's a browsing beast. Want to know more? Keep watching! Comet integrates Perplexity's powerful search engine, delivering answers in the same clean layout as the platform. The star is the sidebar assistant, which pulls info from all open tabs to answer queries, summarize pages, or even act on your behalf, like booking meetings or sending emails based on your browsing. It's like having a personal AI sidekick. Comet's assistant has agentic powers, meaning it can buy items, schedule events, or draft emails tied to your browsing session. Currently, it's only for Max subscribers, where Perplexity's opened a waitlist for broader access. Announced via a slick X video, this browser is built for productivity and smarts. Comet redefines browsing with AI that works for you, streamlining research, tasks, and multitasking. As Perplexity pushes AI innovation, Comet could challenge Chrome or Safari for power users. With its exclusive launch, it's a premium peek into the future of web browsing. Is this the smartest browser yet? Comet's live for Max subscribers, with a waitlist open for everyone else. If you're hyped for an AI-powered browser that does more than just browse, sign up now. What's your dream Comet feature? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Perplexity's Comet AI browser. Are you stoked for the sidebar assistant or itching to try that search engine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech news.